He's picking my my ripe tomato. Some of them are big, some of them are small. Like this one, they're big. See, we got some tomatoes to enjoy, even just a little bit. And then this is my overwinter eggplant. I'm so happy. Imagine. I have 2 of them, but this other one is not that happy. But so far, it's getting happier now. Okay, I have to cut the end of the tomato already. There's plenty enough, and I have other tomato already that's growing. So once these are done, I'll be removing it. And then I have this kind of tomato also. I don't know what kind of tomato this is. Then I have seedlings everywhere. Oh, I'm really bad at growing. Oh my god. That's my lazy way of growing, but some of them at least survive anyway. And I scattered a lot of lemongrass everywhere. It's because for mosquito, just in case, it helps a little bit. Some of the seedlings are finally growing. The greens. And the garlic that I cleaned up from my garden. So I have this last one that I haven't picked yet. I'm just gonna let it be. And my nasturtiums, they're growing everywhere now. And bugs are eating my plants. I'm so annoyed. But they're still alive. That's all I care. And my other garlic is still drying. And my sweet potatoes. This one's very lush, the star one. My favorite gulay. I'm cooking some pasta today. This is also from the garden. I'm gonna use that also for the pasta. Trying to root some pineapple. I wonder if it's gonna work.